Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to day 1 of Hoco week / Spirit week. Okay, it's actually after school. Are you really? Okay, it's actually after school, so I didn't vlog this morning or at school really, except this one little clip I got in English.
That's all a part of.
But yeah.
You brought your camera to school?
No, I literally just saturated a video of me zooming in on my face because I was getting bored in Miss S's class. Day 1 was Decades Day, and upperclassmen got 90s, 80s, 70s, and 60s, I think. And so obviously I'm doing punk 90s.
I'm doing 70s.
Emily's, I think it's 70s. Hippie 70s. Yeah, Emily's borrowing like 3 of my things.
This, and this. So cute.
Yeah,
I love
overall
this.
dress, and she's wearing a tie-dye shirt because that's obviously hippie, and then she has anklets on like a true hippie and Converse. And then I have some hoop earrings on from First 21. You can't see them there. And then this choker is like from, honestly, like Claire's. I bought it years ago whenever I was like into these kind of things. I literally never wore it. This shirt from Armani Exchange is literally my dad's shirt that I stole. It's just a white plain shirt. And then this flannel, I think it's from Zara. Bought this from my mom. And then some black ripped jeans, which I'm also borrowing from my mom. Socks are fishnet socks from AliExpress, and I'm wearing Converse. I'm wearing these bracelets from Alvin's Island, I think. Yeah, that's the fit. I'll insert some pictures I took at school right now. That's all for day 1. I should probably vlog more, you know, to get some more vlog footage. Yeah. Tomorrow is meme/Vine day. You guys are not ready for that. You guys, 3:27, and that's all that's happening for Hoco week. But you guys can see the fit in the mirror. Our fits. Sort of. We dropped at the same time. So let's just hop right into day 2's footage now. It is currently 9:39. This I know I said I was gonna cut to tomorrow already, but I just want to show you guys the process of this costume I'm doing here. I have to make fake money. We'll see in like 0.2 seconds who I'm dressing up as. But so far I have this much, and so I have this like roll of paper from like years ago that I got for free from like a friend or something. Yeah, I'm using it to make paper because I don't even use this paper anyway, so I feel like I'm wasting it. I mean, I am wasting it, but I don't use it anyways, so there's no point. And I'll show you guys the final product. That would be funny to vlog. Alright guys, so day 2 of Hoco week. I'm a dumbass. I brought Emily's jacket. Like, I was gonna come home and I realized I should have vlogged my outfit, and I didn't vlog it yet, and I was like, oh my god, I literally gave Emily her jacket back in the parking lot at school. So now I can't really vlog my outfit that I did today, but I will include a clip that my friend took and put on her story right now.
I'm Montagne, youngest flex of the century, and all you broke haters, I don't know.
I don't know what that was. I sent everything else to the belt because it's my dad's, and this is what I wore underneath. I just wore like a white t-shirt, and I did not wear it the whole day because like that was just not a thing. Like it was just too much. Basically, I walked around school like this, and I carried my jacket and stuff like that, or Emily's jacket. Yeah, so I was flexing like my watch that's literally broken. I bought it like 2 years ago with Christmas money. I don't know what to do with it, but I was wearing it today to flex it, you know. I'll insert some pictures right here, here, and here, or here, here, and here. I don't know, just a bunch of pictures gonna pop up on the screen right now. Yeah, so obviously you guys can see this. I wore a polo shirt underneath. I wore regular jeans because she doesn't wear rips with her jeans because she's like 9. I wore Adidas. She actually wore Uggs in the picture that I was like looking at, but I'm not gonna wear Uggs and a coat to school. And I just found this like choker from American Eagle that I always wear. If anyone wants to include any of like their Vine or like memes, I'll like put them in now.
No. Not to be racist or anything, but Asian people, yeah.
Tomorrow is Dynamic Duo Day, so let's get it. Hey guys, good morning. I actually remember to vlog, except I need to leave soon. This is today's outfit. Me and Quinn are dressing up as Nelly Yuki and Blair Waldorf from Gossip Girl, if you guys didn't know. I basically look like I go to Catholic school. You can see my skirt's from First 21. This sweater is from my brother from American Eagle. This is also his old like dress-up shirt. That's why it's like huge right here. And I don't have a tie or like one of those little ribbon things they wear, so like it's kind of sad. I'm wearing high knee socks and Converse because I don't really know what else to wear. I don't have the flats they wear. Yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit at school and see what other people are doing for Dynamic Duo Day. Participation at my school honestly kind of sucks. Oh, and I'm bringing my glasses, but like I have my contacts in because I was not gonna wear my glasses around school all day. And so when I put my glasses up for pictures, I'm gonna be like blind, but it's fine because it's only for like 30 seconds, then we're done, you know? Yeah, are you supposed to do that? No, absolutely not, probably not, but I'm gonna do it anyways.
Hey guys, we're at lunch right now. My first vlog at school because I'm vlogging Hoco Spirit Week. I'll insert the picture of us together. Did you back. Oh wait, your headband.
Wait, where did I put it?
I don't know. Hey Emma, want to be my vlog for Hoco Spirit Week? Look, she's tea.
We have this spilling tea left and right. Are we making a vlog?
Yeah.
Yay! Hi vlog.
Michael, you want to be in it?
Hi vlog.
No, Michael doesn't want to be in it.
That's the tea, sis.
I'm gonna eat again and I'm scared.
Yeah, that's what's happening.
Okay, so it's 3:18. I know I vlogged a little at school. You guys already saw that clip. But I just want to show you guys my outfit, like, in the light. Because I know this morning you couldn't really tell because I had the lights off. So, how do people do that? Heel, toe, no. I don't know. Low-key, it's a look. Like, I walked around school looking like this. I looked pretty cute. I looked like I go to a private school. My books looks so weird. It looks like uneven. But I survived at school without flashing anybody, I think. I don't think I flashed anybody. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so I interrupt this Hoco Week vlog to promote some sunglasses. I'm not being paid to say anything, but I did get these sent to me for free, so here we go. Here's what they look like. They came in the case with a little like padding plug, and then obviously some like little white, and so they're just blue. I actually got to pick these out, and they're so cool looking. They're like kind of like cop sunglasses almost. I feel like a baddie in these, to be honest. They feel really nice and high quality, and they fit really comfortably on my face. They're not too big. And they actually sent me this code right here for you guys. You can get 50% off your eyeglasses or sunwear. They sell actual glasses too, but I honestly don't wear my glasses that much, so that's why I went for sunglasses instead. And they sell prescription sunglasses. If I didn't have contacts and I still wore my glasses, I would have went for prescription sunglasses instead. But these are just non-prescription. Yeah, and also they are sending me a $50 e-gift card for one of you guys. They didn't send any official rules, but if you want to win, then subscribe, and then you can also, you know, like, follow me on Instagram too. Just thumbs up the video, comment down below like one of your social media handles, and I will contact a winner through like DM. So now that I've showed you guys how to order off their website and went over everything, I will get back to the regular scheduled program. Good morning, guys. I remember to vlog again. My outfit for today. Today is just like the letters of our school, like the abbreviation of our school, which I'm not gonna tell you because, like, duh. But juniors were assigned T, and so I thought I'd be a tourist because I literally had everything I'm wearing. Everything I'm wearing I already had. This Nike visor, obviously. This seashell choker from AliExpress. This shirt I actually got from Goodwill. And I wear this white t-shirt underneath it. I tried to embroider and it just did not work. School shorts. I could be wearing tan, like what's it called, khaki ones, but I don't even have any khaki shorts, and so I just thought I'd wear my black shorts because I looked it up, and some girl who wore this like costume or whatever wore black shorts, and it goes with my shirt anyway because I have black incorporated in it. And then I'm wearing white socks, the usual shoes I wear to school anyways, just my Adidas. And my bracelets, they're from Alvin's Island also. You guys have already seen these two black ones. I wore them the first day, and then this one I actually made because I like making bracelets. That's how it's going down. Like always, I'll insert pictures and whatever clips I got from school right now. Oh, there she goes. Courtney?